In the following Cadaveric study, we'll illustrate how a new breakthrough technology delivers a unique solution for treating lumbar spinal stenosis in all three anatomical zones: central, lateral recess, and foraminal. Now, to really see how the iO-Flex system treats lumbar spinal stenosis, we want to take a view within the spinal structure itself. Let's have a look. We split the cadaveric lumbar spine into anterior and posterior sections by separating the vertebral bodies from the posterior arch at the pedicles. We'll focus on the posterior portion since this is the area where iO-Flex does its work. From this view, you can see that the overgrown facet impinging on the L3 nerve root in the foraminal area. Removing the thecal sac and neural elements reveals a unique and intriguing view of the ceiling of the spinal structure. You can see the thickening ligamentum flavum encroaching the central canal, lateral recess, and foramen. The guide wire shown here illustrates how the initial path is established. After the neurocheck confirms the correct position relative to the nerve root, the surgeon begins reciprocating with the microblade shaver. The targeted ligamentum flavum and overgrown portion of the facet is removed, relieving compression of the nerve root. The tissue and bone that is removed by the shaver adheres to the back of the device. Impressively, through a very small laminotomy, the iO-Flex microblade shaver does the work for you. It creates a smooth and continuous path that safely and thoroughly decompresses all three zones of the spinal canal. And unlike traditional tools, this is achieved with minimal disruption to the surrounding anatomy. An additional pass through the same laminotomy can be made below the pedicle to decompress the traversing nerve. With the neural structures in place, notice how much more space has been created in the lateral recess and foraminal zones. The extent of decompression at the treated level is clear when contrasted to the compressed state of the nerve at the untreated level. As we rotate to a more lateral view, it's clear how thoroughly the microblade shaver has decompressed both the lateral recess and foraminal area. To gain even further appreciation for what iO-Flex has achieved, we reorient the image to an axial perspective. Again, it's clear the additional space that has been created in all three zones of the spinal canal. This breakthrough technology allows surgeons to decompress all major sites of neurological impingement while preserving integrity of the facet joint and maintaining segmental stability.